Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to Tag Tutors, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace the Describe GCSE question. This applies for all specifications, AQA, EdExcel, OCR, it doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Figure 9 shows part of a reflex arc in the spinal cord. I can see a relay neuron, I can see a sensory neuron, I can see a motor neuron. Describe how an impulse passes from the relay neuron to the motor neuron. Step 1. How many marks is the words? Question is what? 3 marks. So I need 3 separate points for 1 mark each. Step 2. The command word in the question. What does it mean? Command word says describe. What does describe mean? Describe means state the facts. The facts about what? State the facts about how an impulse passes from a relay neuron to the motor neuron. In an exam, for me to get the correct mark in this, I have to transfer what I know. Now, what I will do first is to recall the diagram of a neuron. Okay, so that of a neuron, I know that neuron has dendrites, then the axon, then it has the nerve ending, and then there's a space here, and then we can see another dendrites or dendrons, then axon again, and then nerve ending. Okay, and I know that the impulse passes through the axon, then gets to the nerve ending. It can't pass through this space. Okay, so it has to do something, and from what I've learned, I know that something will diffuse across this space. Now I need to also know or remember what this space is called, and I can remember that this space is called a synapse. Okay, that's what I can remember, and I know that something is being produced in the nerve ending that will diffuse across the synapse onto the next neuron. So now I have to put my points down. My first point would be the impulse triggers the release of a chemical in the nerve ending. Remember what the nerve ending is? This is the nerve ending. These are the nerve ending. Okay, a chemical inside the nerve ending will be triggered once the impulse gets there. Okay, 2. This chemical is called a neurotransmitter. My point 3, I'm breaking my points down. This neurotransmitter will diffuse across the synapse onto the next neuron. So I've made my 3 points, point 1, point 2, and point 3. So this is a keyword that you need to mention in the exam. Release of a chemical, that's a key point that you need to mention in an exam. This neurotransmitter will diffuse across the synapse. So that is a point that you need to mention in an exam. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.